Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining. Today I want to unbox with you NYX by René of Paris in the color Marble Brown R. During this I will give you a little bit of a review, but if you're interested in a thorough review of NYX, I have a review on my channel of NYX-inspired brown. So if you're interested in knowing more, go and check out that review. But this is about NYX in Marble Brown. Love Marble Brown, it's a beautiful color. So this is the Marble Brown R version. So you have a root here. There's also a Marble Brown without the root, but I don't think that's available for this style. Other styles have that. So real careful, if you want it with a root, just check out that it has the R attached to it. I personally prefer a root, but either way, both colors, Marble Brown and Marble Brown R, are just absolutely beautiful. So securely packaged, sitting on some tissue paper to protect the lace front, with a net to protect the fibers, the curls, the style in itself, etc. Let's look at the cap construction. We have a mono part that goes all the way back to the crown, and it's about 2 fingers width, so a little bit of space to part there, so you can have a slightly off-center part or more of a side part if you prefer. You have an extended lace front, open wefts sides and back, extended velvet nape with bra strap like adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs, and you can see there are some fibers sewn into it, which just gives you a really natural look. So it disguises the edge of the ear tab there. So always like that little feature. There isn't a zigzag parting in here at the moment. Sometimes some wigs come without the zigzag parting, sometimes they come with it. I think that looks fairly good. Definitely not a sparse one, but I don't think it's too thickly threaded either. It is a darker color, so I think you can see a little bit of knotting here, but nothing too bad anyway. So let's put it on. This is just such a cute style. You just check that it's in the right place. So for me, it's 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose, so it has to come down just slightly. So here it is, straight out of the box. Literally just run my fingers through it a little bit like that. That's it. You're ready to go. Really, it's so easy. Get rid of the tags and you're ready to go. I think it's lovely, really beautiful. So I told you about the fibers on the ear tabs. I want to show you what that looks like. So this is now the fibers. So here you can see it's the lace front that runs into the ear tabs, and then you have the ear tabs, and here is the fiber. So if you wouldn't have that, you would probably see the edge here. But because they added that to it, it just kind of disguises this. And the lace front looks really well done on this dark color. So mainly because they put these lighter pieces here in the front. So you have a little bit of a band effect, but nothing too prominent, I don't think. It just really lights up your face, so you can see it around the face. So the fibers that they put in on the ear tabs are this lighter color as well, so it really lights up your face. It's so beautifully placed, I think. Really pretty. And the part, it's definitely not a sparse part, but I don't think it's too thickly threaded either. In terms of permatease, there's nothing really big and poofy here at all. So if you do see volume here, this is because of the wave pattern. And I do think there is a little bit of hair here. So, but I do think you need this for this style to look as it is. So I do think this is lower end of medium in terms of hair density. But as I said, there is no permatease. It's only just the tease around the wefts just to ensure that if the wind goes, or you want to do an updo or something like that, those wefts are a little bit more disguised. So you can't then really see the wefts. So in terms of fit, this is a typical what I call René of Paris fit. I do think they are average sized cap. My circumference with my hair growth is around the 21.75, and it does fit me really nicely straight out of the box, but I would like to wear my wigs quite loose. However, if I was to go out with this, I think I would have to tighten it, because at the moment it is on the furthest possible setting. I do think this is a cap that stretches to the 22.5 circumference, maybe even 23, because there's stretch in this cap. It's an open wefted cap. But please check that with Aderans Trendco to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. There's a lot of room to tighten it here. You will just have a lot of gapping here at the back. So the fibers are heat-friendly fibers, so you can change that curl pattern if you wanted to. And then styling. So let's look with a tuck. So this is my own bio hair here, so I have a little bit of gray hair, so I would have to actually match that with that if I want to tuck. But because you have, again, these fibers attached here on the ear tab, you can't see anything relating to the cup as well. So I just, if I do tuck it, I always just double check that I have tucked my hair with it, and that's about it. The other option is you can just pull a little bit of hair out if you don't want to mess too much with matching your own bio hair, etc. And that just disguises that a little bit if you wanted to. But it's definitely ear tuckable. Now, as I said, it's not the lowest density, so my ears do stick out a little bit, and you can see there's quite a lot of hair still here, but bear in mind that this is the side where you have more hair, whilst this side looks a little bit more manageable, but it is possible. You could get it in a little pony, so that's always good to know. You have some slight layers here at the front that are a little bit shorter, and so they will fall out, but I think that's extremely cute. But if it is too hot and you do want to get it off your neck, you can. So I really hope you enjoyed this very quick unboxing, very quick review for this gorgeous style. And as I said, I have a bit more of an in-depth review of NYX, but in Spice Brown, on my channel, so go and check that out. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. Don't forget to use my code K20 at Aderans Trendco for an amazing 20% off. Links and everything you need to know is down below in the description box. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye!